Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F1 and today I will show you how you can turn on this device. So we have to find your phone and power key is located on the right edge, so we have to click and hold that key. Let's make it right now. When you feel vibration and got Poco logo on the screen, you can finally release the key and now just wait until your phone turns on. And as you can see right now, our device is turned on. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.